Hey folks, how's it going? Sam here. In this short video, I want to show you how to get up and started with Lapsa Studio. So first of all, thanks for picking it up and let's get started. So once you launch Lapsa Studio on your Mac, it's up in the menu bar. So these little frame icons is slashed when you're not recording. Go ahead and click that. You can choose whether to capture the display, the window, and if you want your webcam on or off. So I'm going to leave it as this. And this is the capture interval. So a frame will be taken every second based on this option. So this is 1 second and this is 45 seconds. So what I recommend, if you're going to do a short recording, which is maybe 5 to 10 minutes, you need to build up the frames to actually have like a decent chunk of video. So I would go with 1 second. It will use up more CPU usage because it's taking a frame every second. But you can extend it. If you're doing a really long session, then maybe push it to 10 seconds or 30. That's what I usually do. If you're on your computer for a few hours, that's plenty. If you really want to go super far, do every 2 minutes. So yeah, that's how you get started. Go ahead and click record. So then you can now do your work on a new version of the Lapsa Studio, whatever. When you're ready, hit the menu bar icon and then you can see it's not slashed anymore, it's recording. You can pause, resume, stop it, or export it. So let's click export. And this is the editing window. So the aspect ratio is up here. You can go ahead and pick one that you want, 1:1, 4:3, whatever works for you. So I'm going to keep it at 16:9. And now coming back to the right side, we have our different backgrounds. So prepackaged with Lapsa Studio, and I'm going to be adding more in the next release, are a bunch of backgrounds. I quite like ethereal, but obviously changed it to solid, gradients, or upload your own if you want to. Adding macOS backgrounds if you can grab them. Are quite nice, but for the moment I'm going to stay with this. In the next release I will have some nature backgrounds, so that'll be coming. And yeah, go ahead and edit, change the foreground scale really quickly, corner radius, whether to show the webcam or not, and its position, padding, scale, and its corner radius. And if you increase the corner radius, it'll become a circle or just a really rounded rectangle, up to you. And then go ahead and hit export. Up here, you have the locked in aspect ratio, the resolution you want, file format, and the playback settings, and quality. So Studio, best quality, low will obviously be a low export quality. It doesn't affect the export time, but it will affect the size. If you've not recorded for long, you can see here the estimated video duration 0, because we've only got 19 frames and you're trying to export it at 24 frames per second, so that you don't even have a second of footage. So that's why it's important, to capture a lot of frames, depending on how long you're going to be recording for. So yeah, you can go with 1 FPS. This will be like a sort of slideshow, so every frame will, happen for 1 second on screen. But usually if you want to export it, 30 FPS, 60 FPS looks great. And that's it really, super simple. Export, choose your path, and you have your video. So super simple, you can have some beautiful time-lapse recordings in seconds. Hope that gets you started, and if you have any feedback, comments, please just let me know either on YouTube, email me, sam@lapsa.studio. Yeah, hope you enjoy it, hope it is useful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.